All right, so I did something pretty cool. Um, well, I don't know what you'll think if it's cool or not, but I did this. So I can have them and then put them down. It works like decent. I mean, it works good actually, like kind of surprisingly so. And like, say I want this one right here. Boom. That looks so nice. Oh yeah, I remember. Okay, so say I want, a couple of these suckers. Take it off. You kind of just have to twist this thing, and then that comes off easier. Yeah, you can do that. And then you got them or whatever, using them. Then you want to put them back, so just kind of stick them on there. We'll see how this goes. They stay, and you kind of like put them wherever. So ideally, even better than this would be to get like a magnetic strip. Use that. So that would be kind of cool. But then, it's like, oh, I need that one. Use it, whatever. You just put it back when you're done. Then kind of put it in its final resting place. But as you can see, like, it definitely sticks on there decent. So you see my longer one there. It's kind of cool watching this one. I love this. But anyways, yeah, you can do this. Kind of move it around wherever. I'll put it in this spot. It's kind of helpful, like. So I kind of made the smaller one for like easy access, and these ones for kind of more long term. I need more of a strip. I feel like you could even do longer if you wanted, but the duct tape's pretty good. The adhesive should wear off eventually, so I'll figure out how long that takes. But it's this one I was using a lot kind of when I was testing, and it's still sticky, so that's kind of cool. But yeah, I'll see how it goes. But yeah, I kind of thought a magnetic strip would be even better. But nice thing about this though is like I almost feel like it bends. It bends. It's kind of cool. So it's like if you had strong enough things, you could hang it somewhere. I don't know what you'd want to do with it hanging necessarily, but it's definitely like kind of cool. So yeah, just thought I'd share that. That was working out pretty good for me.